Hi, welcome to Scarlet Blue. My name is Gabby, and I've been fitting for over 10 years. Today I'm going to talk to you about how your strapless should fit. A strapless bra gives you lift without the straps. Your band is doing all the work. All of our strapless have no slip elastic for a stay put look. Here's 3 quick tips to ensure you have the right fit. Is your center gore laying flat to your skin? If not, most likely your cup is too small. Is your wire clearing your breast tissue? If you're feeling any digging in or bulging on the top of the cup, most likely your cup is too small. Your band needs to be snug and parallel to the floor. We should always be starting on the outer hook. If you're on the first or second hook, most likely your band is too big. Now I'm going to teach you how to fit yourself at home. We're going to start with your band size. You're going to place the measurement under your bust line with a tight squeeze and your arms down. To get the cup size, you're going to hold the tape loosely around the fullest part of your breast with your arms down. Be sure to check out our fit guide.